to my channel. It's Caramel Coils back again with another video. So today I'm gonna attempt to try that sleek top knot swoop side bang thing. First time I tried to do it, didn't really work out because I didn't really do much research. You know, this time around I watched a couple videos and I think I have the appropriate tools needed to achieve this hairstyle. So fingers crossed. Again, this is just an attempt. Not sure how this is gonna work out. Before I come back, let me know what you guys think ahead of time. Do you guys think I'm gonna be able to achieve this hairstyle successfully? You guys know I have a lot of hair on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, make sure it's thoroughly detangled, and then come back and get started. Alright y'all, so I've washed my hair, detangled my hair, deep conditioned my hair. You guys know I like to, well, if you don't know, I like to detangle my hair, not detangle. I like to slick my hair when it's freshly detangled. I'm really not a huge fan of slicking old dry hair because I just feel like, you know, I have to really work in sections and really drench my hair in product to really get that sleek look. So I'd rather just work on freshly washed hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. I'll be using what I have left of the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in. Go ahead and apply this all over, and then come back to you guys before I go in with my cream styler, and then I'll begin slicking my hair. So I'm pretty much styling my hair like I would for a wash and go, minus the gel. I'll be applying a gel later, like when I'm actually slicking my hair, but for my ends and stuff like that, I don't need a gel. And as I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, I'm making sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled. So actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush to apply my leave-in, just to really make sure that everything is thoroughly detangled. You guys know I don't usually use brushes to style my wash and goes, but this isn't just your average wash and go. The key to this hairstyle is making sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled, and you know, because we don't want any lumps and bumps and all that. So now I'm gonna go in with my Texture ID styling cream. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and apply that over. I won't be using a brush for this just because, you know, I want to keep some of my definition. So, and I don't have to be as thorough as I would for a regular wash and go, just because, you know, my hair doesn't have to be that perfectly defined. Most of it is gonna be brushed anyways and slicked down. So it's really just the ends that I want to focus on. And I actually don't even have to use such small sections, but it's a habit. This side took about 5 minutes. My hair is properly moisturized, detangled, defined, and ready to be slicked. So now I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair where I want my swoop. So I'm looking at the first time that I did it, even though it was wrong, it didn't come out perfect. The parting was A1, just so you guys can see. Yeah, my screen phone is really greasy. So that's the look I'm going for. I just want to make sure that parting is where it needs to be. I'm just gonna go ahead and just twist this so we don't have to worry about that. This is really the most important part, this piece right here. So I'll focus on that last. All right, now. Oh, so much hair, y'all, and so much product. All right, so I'm gonna just flip my head over real quick. Gather everything into these two ponytails. So before I bring out the gel, I'm gonna go in with my hard bristle brush and kind of just start slicking. Somebody commented and asked me what my arm workout routine is, or what my I think what my workout routine is, because my arms are so toned, and honestly and truly, y'all, I think it has to do with genetics, but also doing this. Because this is a mission. Whew. Oh my gosh. All right, so my hair is pretty smooth. Curls right here are popping. I'm gonna go in with my olive oil eco styler gel. So I'm gonna be real generous with the gel because I really want to make sure that this is super sleek. Oh my gosh, wow. I'll worry about my edges later. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So, I think my hair is as slick as it can be. Actually, also what I'm thinking, because my edges are already starting to lift, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my hair down, just so that when I come to slick down this part, because this is gonna be the hardest part, I want this to already be slick and in place and not have to manipulate it again later. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse this part of my hair so it can dry a little bit while this sets, and then I'll come back and slick this part right here. Edges laid. Let's see. All right, so for this, I'm gonna be using my Tangle Tamer, and I guess I'll do sections. Apply gel, brush, apply gel, brush. So I'm gonna start off with this piece right here. Clip to just hold this piece down, one of these clips. So I see a lot of people use Got To Be Glue to slick this part down, but I'm really trying to avoid using that. I don't even have that spray, and it scares me. Like, it doesn't scare me, I don't know. I feel like it's really harsh, and I'm not trying to risk like damaging my hair or, you know, creating too much tension unnecessarily. So I'm gonna try to make it work with this gel. Y'all pray for me. So let's see how this dries. This right here is throwing me off a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but gotta stop trying to be a perfectionist. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to hold everything in place for a couple more minutes because I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put in some earrings, put on a cute dress, just to show you guys the finished look. Because, you know, can you really see the finished product if you don't put on hoops? Yeah, I didn't think so either. So y'all, these are my finished results and I am definitely satisfied. Way better than the last time. My hair is slick. I mean, okay, so this part is not perfect at all. I think if I would have used that Got To Be glue, it probably would have been a lot easier to slick this part down. But I definitely think it's wearable. I also think that if I would have left the scarf on my head a little longer, it probably would have set a little better. But I'm not too mad at my results. Oh, I gotta take this off. Hold up, y'all. Let me go ahead and put the bobby pins and then I'll remove the clips. Alright, so this is the finished product. I removed the clips and replaced them with bobby pins, and it probably looks a little tacky, but honestly I don't really care because my hair doesn't do this naturally. So, you know, y'all just gonna have to take it with these bobby pins. So low-key though, I feel like I look like those 16-year-olds on Instagram that are on those edge tutorial pages. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I feel like it definitely makes me look a little younger. It gives me a different vibe, but I'm not mad at the results. I could definitely see myself wearing this hairstyle out if I want to switch it up. Definitely not what I'm used to, or definitely not what y'all are used to for me, but it's a look. I'm here for it. And this is only my second time trying it. I think third time's a charm. The next time I try to do this hairstyle, I think I'll be able to perfect this little swoop. Maybe I'll try the Got To Be glue. I don't know. What are y'all thoughts on the Got To Be glue spray? I guess if you do it in moderation, you're not doing it for every hairstyle. I guess it won't matter too much. But whenever it comes to slick hairstyles for me, I try not to put in too much effort into slicking it down and manipulating my hair, because doing that too much can definitely, you know, affect your curl pattern and really stretch your hair out. But like I said, one time I guess won't hurt. So maybe the next time I do that, I'll try it with the Got To Be glue and see if that makes a difference. Would you guys try this hairstyle? Have you already tried it? What do you think I could have done differently? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Curious to hear your guys' feedback. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see y'all next week.